The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Germantown, or over Philadelphia, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Hatboro, Ambler, Jenkintown, Rockledge, Abington, Bremerton, Wisconsin, Willow Grove, Germantown, Northeast Philadelphia, Center City, Tacony, Kensington, Roxborough, Chestnut Hill, Holmesburg, Ben Franklin Bridge, Horsham, and Fort Washington. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 337 and 345. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 22 and 25, and near mile marker 27. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 337 and 341. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.